lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing so good today. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick comparison video of Refy Brow products and Boy Brow by Glossier. Now I am a huge fan of both of these, but I thought it'd be really great to do a comparison because I know a lot of people have been kind of asking what's better, what would be worth spending the money on. So I thought I would do a review for you today because why not? And I'm also intrigued because I do use both, but obviously I don't use both at the same time, so I never really see what's better. So I'm just going to do an honest review of these. So today I'm going to be using the pencil and the brow sculpt from Refy and Boy Brow on its own, but I have the shade brown in this one. So yes, because I think that would give the same look on both eyebrow in terms of colouring. The first product I'm going to use is Refy, so I'm going to use pencil and then the sculpt, and then I'll do Boy Brow, and then you can see the difference between the two and also which one you would personally prefer, and I can give my opinion as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take the applicator on end of the Refy. I'm actually just going to use this on both my eyebrows to brush through them. So I'm going to put Refy on this brow and Boy Brow on this brow. There we go. So I'm going to just use the pencil first. I think a lot of people go in with the sculpt or the pomade first and then they use the pencil last, but I prefer to use it first. So I just kind of gently fill my brow in. Like so. I don't like to put too much on because I want it to look like my eyebrow and not like a block of colour. And then I go in with the brow sculpt, which is the kind of clear brow gel. Like so. So you can already see the difference. So this has got more volume and this one is obviously quite flat. So that is Refy. Now Boy Brow. This is also a mascara style applicator, but it's quite tiny, so you can really get in as well. With this one I like to just comb up first. Add a bit more kind of shape to my eyebrow. Like so. And that's it. That's Boy Brow. That's Boy Brow. So as you can see, they actually look pretty similar, if not the same. So personally, I prefer Glossier over Refy. So I like Glossier Boy Brow more than I like the Refy Brow Sculpt and Brow Pencil. For a variety of reasons, I do think Refy are amazing. I really like how they kind of really add definition and lift your eyebrow. They can really, if you like quite thick, well formed eyebrows, Refy is really great for that. I think you can do a lot with it. Similar to Boy Brow, but I do think Boy Brow is actually easier to use. I think more because it's already got the colouring in, so all you need to do is just quickly kind of brush through your eyebrows. I know Beyonce uses Boy Brow as well, which kind of tipped me into that direction. Not really, but I do think it's a lot easier and you do get the same payoff. Refy, although a larger applicator, I think there's a lot more in here. This costs £16, but Boy Brow costs £14. But if you wanted to add the colouring into your brow, you also have to buy the pencil, you have to buy the pomade if you want to, and that collection costs £40. So for me, the price really, I would always go with Boy Brow because I know you get a really great payoff and it's a lot more affordable. Also with Refy, I found over time you get like white flakes in your eyebrow, which I'm not really too sure why. Maybe I've used too much product, but I do find that over time you can see it drying out and it flakes, and I'm just not impressed with that, to be honest. I'm not a huge fan that that happens. It's really easy to get rid of, to be honest. You just kind of can brush it away, or you can get water and just kind of wipe it. But I do think it's besides the point. I don't really want to be doing that. But you don't get that with Boy Brow. I think Boy Brow just, you add on and it lasts all day. And I just think it, yeah, it's great. It's great. This little kind of brow mascara can add more definition and depth to your eyebrow. So yeah, that is a comparison. That is Refy and that is Boy Brow. I personally prefer Boy Brow over Refy, but I do like Refy, so it is completely up to you. But Boy Brow wins for me. So that's it. That is today's review. Super quick. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed my honest opinion. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.